What a mind-blowing sight.
There's been a price drop in SHIBA, and investors are freaking out. But today, something even more incredible occurred. An unprecedented action by Coinbase may attract a flood of new investors to the SHIBA INU market. Furthermore, what is even more astonishing is this. SHIBA INU might be in for a wild ride if a famous investor decides to step in, according to the rumors. So, what is going on here? Allow me explain it in simpler terms. The SHIBA INU recently saw a precipitous decline, shocking investors. The market's apparent recovery and the gains seen by portfolios today were quickly undone by today's collapse. The anticipation that had been growing vanished in an instant, accompanied by bewilderment and annoyance. Quickly, market mood changed. Once filled with optimism, now it's filled with doubt. Anxieties are starting to manifest. There is a predicament for investors. Is this a chance to get more at a discount, or should they sell before things become worse? There has been genuine difficulty. Looking at the last week in particular doesn't paint a good image. And the downward trend that SHIBA INU has been experiencing for days doesn't help matters either. As the price keeps falling, investors start to question if they were right to invest. This goes beyond the cost of a SHIBA INU. Having faith in the market is crucial. At this point, the most important thing to know is if this is a short-lived setback or the beginning of a much larger slump. The price movement of SHIBA INU has recently been the subject of an analyst's opinion, and the results are not promising. They say the SHIBA INU is going downhill fast and could go downhill much faster if conditions don't improve soon. Someone just shattered a critical support level that bodes poorly for the future of the meme currency, as it may be about to plummet much worse. Now, that SHIBA INU has dropped below a key price range. Investors would take a major psychological hit if the breed doesn't recover soon to prevent further value loss of a decimal point. The price of SHIBA INU has been falling for weeks due to continuous short-term trends. What many investors were afraid was proven by this most recent decline. Stability has been impossible to maintain due to the lack of purchasing demand. SHIBA INU is put in a dangerous situation because of this. If buyers don't jump in quickly, the damage could be considerable because the next major support level is dangerously low. The devoted fan base of SHIBA INU has long been one of the breed's strongest points. But at the moment, it seems that both the buzz and trade activity are on the decline. The ability of SHIBA INU to make a comeback is being questioned more than ever before in the meme coin market, which is already struggling due to fewer people actively engaging. Recovering could become even more difficult if this downward trend persists and breaks through another critical support level, which could undo months of progress. Having said that, one should not lose hope. The market can see a relief rally if a large number of buyers come in and keep prices steady. Because of this, the token might potentially recover some of its previous value. Now, we need to see if SHIBA can bounce back in the next several days, or if selling pressure will keep pushing it down. What on earth is triggering a SHIBA INU to act in this manner? We need to look at Bitcoin to get the whole picture. Similar ups and downs have been experienced by Bitcoin, which recently fell to the $75,000 range before recovering to $81,000. All around the cryptocurrency market, this sudden decline was felt. According to an analyst, minor capitulation was set off by this sudden decline. Put simply, a significant portion of the Bitcoin mining community started liquidating their assets. There was a dramatic increase in these sell-offs during Bitcoin's decline, according to one-chain data, which caused exchanges to receive an influx of coins. Miners usually aim to recoup their operational costs or avoid losses when they engage in this form of sell-off. Unfortunately, the market slump is becoming deeper as a result of this selling pressure, which further lowers Bitcoin's value. And here is where SHIBA INU's into play. SHIBA INU is only one of many cryptocurrency markets that reacts when Bitcoin's value drops. As a result of the ripple effect that Bitcoin's decline had on the market, prices fell everywhere. With little purchasing power to offset the sell-offs, investors started to freak out, and SHIBA INU followed suit. Although SHIBA INU does have its own unique market dynamics, there were other factors at play in today's decline as well. A broader market shift included it. In the near future, SHIBA INU can face difficulties until Bitcoin finds a stable price. Nevertheless, all might be altered by a significant news today. One of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Coinbase, has recently announced that it has formally registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit in India. Coinbase can now legally do business in the country. We have received official approval to launch in India, they announced. But hold on a second. This is merely the start, as stated on their official blog. Coinbase is planning to provide full retail services in India next year as part of its expansion plans. For SHIBA INU, why does this matter so much? One of the world's biggest crypto communities is located in India, and SHIBA INU has a massive fan base over there. Indeed, Indian investors choose SHIBA INU over any other meme coin. This isn't your average token. It ranks high among the country's most actively traded and extensively held assets. Coinbase already has thousands of SHIBA INU holders, and their number is about to explode as the exchange expands in India. SHIBA INU could see a spike in demand as more individuals have easier access to buying, selling, and exchanging them. Having this level of accessibility changes the game. It generates new energy, lowers hurdles to entrance, and draws in new investors. The SHIBA INU market might finally recover from its current decline if there is a large influx of purchasers. Oh, and get this is absolutely astounding. There is talk that might have far-reaching consequences for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. According to one expert, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is seriously contemplating putting some of its $334 billion in cash into Bitcoin. Yeah, you read it correctly. One of the most prominent Bitcoin naysayers, Warren Buffett, may be about to change his mind. If this were to materialize, it would shake the market to its foundations and lend crypto an unparalleled amount of legitimacy. For SHIBA INU, what does this signify? Everyone in the cryptocurrency industry stands to gain, but SHIBA INU in particular if Bitcoin receives a significant bump. When Bitcoin's value increases, other cryptocurrencies often follow suit. With SHIBA INU's track record of being one of the most volatile assets during bull runs, this kind of increase might cause its price to skyrocket. This isn't about a minor upswing. If Berkshire Hathaway is serious about investing in Bitcoin, institutional investors are pouring a ton of money into the market. As a result, SHIBA INU may experience unprecedented growth, attracting the attention of ordinary people and large institutions that have shunned meme